Hey, so I'm headed to California for a week. I got this 360 camera. Figured I'd figure out how to use it before I get there and need to know what I'm doing. Wanna come along? Welcome to Des Moines International Airport. Hello there. No, I'm okay, thank you. Taco place.
This is the octopus taco at Poseidon. About to get evil.
Hard for me to turn down a donut.
Two funky ass donuts, Yola mango and a creme brulee filled one. Got that for my mom who loves creme brulee. Of course, she's in the Midwest, so it means really nothing to her, but I will enjoy it on her behalf. Stopped at the Smorgasburg place, got that octopus taco. Incredible. Mango. Let's give it a shot. Holy. That is some incredible mango. The guy I bought it from, the donut friend, says a little spice. You know, it doesn't hit until the very end when you swallow. This is a perfect donut. So the whole reason for this trip is right there. The USS Iowa. Battleship BB-61. Been here 3 years ago, then COVID hit, kind of gummed up the whole project, and now we're back. USS Iowa. We're back. Working on a documentary. Probably should just taken today and gotten all logistics straightened out, but hotel's like a quarter of a mile away, not even. In the meantime, I'm going to a West Coast mecca, get some lunch, in and out. Okay, so the light kind of sucks here in the shade, but what are you going to do? In-N-Out Burger. Some people think this is like the best burger on the planet. I think it's pretty good. I don't know about the best. People love it here though, and we loved it when we lived here. Remember the first time I ever went to an In-N-Out in 2005? My dad pulled up, didn't think anything of it, we're just getting food. We get it one, we go through. I was like, talking to my dad, eating my food, and I realized, my gosh, this burger is freaking incredible. He's And he offered, should we go get another one? So we went through the line and got a second. All right. But if you ever come out here, it's worth a shot. I've already actually checked in, put everything away. And this room is actually pretty boss. And then look at this view. Boom. I mean, you can see the ocean, you can see the canal, cruise ships going left and right. There's the pool, but fun 360 action. Talk to you maybe tomorrow when we're back aboard the USS Iowa.